What if everything you know about our solar system is incomplete? Why are there regions of our solar system? Planets are not as calm as they seem. Every planet has survived destruction. And the deeper we look, the darker it becomes. What if Jupiter is not just a planet, but a guardian? Pulling deadly asteroids away from Earth.
But what if it also sends destruction toward us?
Mars was once alive.
Until something took it all away. And at the center, the sun holds the power to destroy everything.
Our solar system was not born in peace. A star ignited in a violent burst of energy. Planets formed through endless collisions. Worlds were destroyed before they could even form.
Earth itself was nearly destroyed.
From destruction came the moon. Mercury, the closest planet to the sun, hides a disturbing secret. Its core is far larger than it should be.
What if Mercury was once much larger?
The sun may slowly strip away entire worlds.
Mercury is a world of extremes.
And Mercury may be only a fragment of something greater. Venus looks like Earth's twin, but it is nothing like it. Beneath those clouds lies a surface hot enough to melt lead. The pressure would crush any human instantly.
Venus may have once been like Earth, until everything changed.
A world can die without warning.
Venus is not just a planet. It is a warning for Earth.
Earth may look safe, but beneath its surface, it is constantly shifting. Hidden beneath the surface are sleeping giants. Every year, Earth narrowly escapes destruction.
But it only takes one to change everything.
A fragile world in a dangerous universe. Mars was not always a dead planet. Mars was not always a dead planet. It may have once had oceans, vast and deep. Could Mars have once supported life?
Then, everything changed.
A world can die, slowly over time.
If life existed, where did it go?
Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is not silent.
Its gravity protects the inner solar system.
Inside its storms, lightning bolts larger than Earth strike endlessly. There is no solid ground, only pressure and storm.
Without Jupiter, Earth might not exist as it does today.
Is Jupiter our protector, or just a giant coincidence?
Saturn, the most beautiful planet in our solar system, hides a fragile mystery.
Beneath its beauty lies a storm of unimaginable scale. Are slowly disappearing.
Moons shape the rings, and the rings shape the moons.
A planet so beautiful, it feels unreal. And yet, even beauty in space is temporary.
Uranus, the coldest planet in our solar system, spins silently in the dark. It rotates on its side, unlike any other planet. Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system.
Storms appear and then vanish without warning. A world of ice, wind, and endless darkness. Even the farthest worlds are not truly alone.
Beyond Neptune lies a frozen frontier we barely understand. Pluto, once called a planet, now a distant frozen world.
Yet even here, Pluto surprises us.
Far from the sun, light becomes memory. We have only begun to explore what lies beyond.
And beyond this point, the unknown begins.
Far beyond Pluto lies a boundary we cannot see.
This is where comets are born, drifting for millions of years.
Here, the sun is only a distant star.
We have only seen a fraction of what exists. And in the end, the universe still keeps its secrets.
Beyond everything we know, the universe continues.
Time itself behaves differently in deep space.
Some forces, even light, cannot escape.
Everything gets pulled into a single point.
Is our universe just one of many?
What if reality itself is as unstable?
The universe is not slowing down. It is accelerating. Everything is connected by invisible threads.
Even galaxies are not permanent.
What if time could reverse itself?
Everything that exists begins to collapse inward. Even light begins to disappear. Space itself begins to lose structure. Even galaxies begin to dissolve.
The universe becomes quieter every second.
Dimensions themselves begin to flatten. Only darkness remains. And then, nothing was left to observe.
Even the last stars begin to fade.
A single photon travels alone.
What once existed becomes memory.
Even time stops moving.
There is no sound left.
Reality itself begins to fade.
Nothing remains except emptiness. And yet, something observes even this. There is nothing left to perceive.